Let's go ahead and use our 19mm socket. We're going to go ahead and remove the lug nuts. Go ahead and grab your hubcap if you have one equipped. Set that aside. You want to go ahead and grab the wheel, remove that, and set that aside. I'm going to use a 14mm ratchet wrench on the sway bar end link nut. I'm going to use a number 5 Allen wrench in the middle of our ball joint here, and we're going to remove this nut. We try to remove the nut, and the end link unit just spun inside the ball and socket. So we did apply a little bit of heat. We used some rust penetrant, and we're spinning that nut off now. There we go. We got the nut off there. We're going to repeat for the upper part of the link. We try to remove the sway bar end link bolt. The back of the link popped off, and we stripped out the center section of the Allen wrench area. So now what we're going to do is use some cutting tools. We're going to cut this off the sway bar end link, and then we install our new part. Just going to go ahead and install our link. Get that nut installed here. And we're going to go ahead and get the nut started on the lower portion here. Using a 15mm ratchet wrench, we're going to go ahead, or gear wrench, we're going to go ahead and tighten this up. Now in our case here, the socket is spinning inside the joint itself, so we're going to use our thin 14, pull the back side, and continue tightening. Once that's snug, I'm going to go ahead and repeat for the lower link. Right on the back side, you can see the 14mm nut. We can use our thin wall wrench. If you use a thick wrench and you tighten this up, it'll pinch the wrench between here and you won't be able to get it out. So thin wall, we can use our socket and tighten this up. I'm going to get and torque these nuts down to 29 foot-pounds. Repeat for the upper. And repeat for the other side. Go ahead and install your wheel. Line this up. I'm going to get all 4 of these started by hand, and then we'll go ahead and snug them down. Then we're going to go ahead and torque the wheels down to 80 foot-pounds.